Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a culinary danger zone. The 10 most dangerous foods people eat daily without knowing the risks. Some common ingredients, if not handled properly, could send you running to the hospital. We're talking about hidden threats in your fridge, ticking time bombs disguised as snacks. Stay tuned to learn which foods could land you in a world of hurt if you're not careful. First up, let's talk about shellfish. Oysters, clams, mussels, they look fancy, but they're hiding a dirty secret. Bacteria and viruses like Vibrio and norovirus are just waiting to wreak havoc on your gut. Eating them raw is like playing Russian roulette with your bowels. If you've got a weak immune system, you're practically begging for food poisoning. Next on the chopping block, processed meats. Bacon, sausages, hot dogs, deli meats. They're delicious but packed with preservatives, nitrates and sodium. Eating these things regularly is like setting your insides on fire. We're talking increased risk of cancer, heart disease, stroke, the whole 9 yards. Enjoy these sparingly. Let's talk chicken. The golden rule in my kitchen is simple. Cook it thoroughly. No pink, no blood, no excuses. Raw chicken is a breeding ground for nasty bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter. We're talking nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, the kind of misery that'll have you wishing you never laid eyes on a chicken again. Think you're safe with eggs? Think again. Raw or runny yolks can harbour Salmonella. Stick to cooked versions unless you want to play roulette with food poisoning. Fruits and vegetables are good for you, but only if you wash them. E. coli, Salmonella, Listeria, all having a field day on your unwashed produce. A good scrub under running water is all it takes. Don't be lazy. For the daredevils, let's talk about fugu, the Japanese pufferfish. This fish contains tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin so potent, one wrong slice and you're pushing up daisies. We're talking paralysis, respiratory failure, the whole shebang. Leave this one to the trained professionals. Raw milk, unpasteurized cheese. Some things are better left to modern science. These unpasteurized dairy products are a breeding ground for bacteria like E. coli, Listeria and Salmonella. Pasteurization kills off those nasty bugs that can turn your stomach inside out. Stick to pasteurized products, it's there for a reason. Potatoes, humble, versatile, delicious. But even these seemingly innocent spuds can turn on you. Green spots mean solanine, a toxic chemical that can cause nausea, vomiting and neurological issues. Store your potatoes properly, keep them out of direct sunlight. Cut off any green bits you see. Alfalfa sprouts, bean sprouts, they look innocent, but they're bacteria hotels. Warm, moist, and often eaten raw, the perfect breeding ground for Salmonella and E. coli. Give them a good wash, even if the package says pre-washed. Don't take any chances. Stay safe with your salads. Heading to the tropics with ackee fruit. This Jamaican delicacy is delicious when prepared properly, but unripe ackee contains hyperglycin, a toxin that can send you to the emergency room, severe vomiting, even death in some cases. Leave it to the experts if you're not familiar with preparing ackee. There you have it, folks. The 10 most dangerous foods lurking in your kitchens. Knowledge is power. Now that you know the risks, take the necessary precautions. Proper cooking, storage and handling are crucial. Don't take any chances with your health. A little vigilance goes a long way. Stay safe, stay informed and wash your hands. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more culinary insights. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your meals safely.